Hello, my dear friends. I'm Mr. Zhang from China. He is now working as a technical sales manager in a foundry equipment manufacturer. How does your foundry model production now? Is it a very old way of production, hand modeling? This method of production is inefficient and the quality of castings is not consistent. And these workers are well paid. Or the use of shock molding production. It takes two machines to make a product mold. One machine makes the upper model and one machine makes the lower model and cannot produce large castings. I will introduce a more advanced molding machine to you today. It can realize automatic sand feeding, automatic compaction, and automatic modeling. It is the automatic green sand molding machine. This machine can shoot sand from above and below at the same time. Sand blowing and hydraulic extrusion by airflow. Two independent sand shooting systems. By shooting sand from above and below, the deficiency of horizontal shooting is compensated so that high-end more complex casting product can be produced, and the position of the sand shooting port can be adjusted according to the structure of the casting. There are a total of 16 到20 shooting ports to choose from, thereby meeting the molding production of various castings in a foundry. Up and down sand shooting molding machine is the best one at present, and the scope of application is very wide. The machine is equipped with safety warning lights in the area where the workers operate. When someone or something enters the operating area by mistake, the warning light bar turns red and the machine stops working. Because the molding machine uses Omron's safety grating, wider range of radiation, more responsive, so that operator can be better protected. Reduce the occurrence of safety accidents. Let the foundry use it with confidence. The operating control touch screen of the machine adopts Omron 10 inches. You can also choose the PLC of Siemens. Touch screen can control machine operation and set parameters. For example, pressure, height of sand mold, molding speed, sand shooting time, etc. And there is also an alarm prompt system, which will remind the abnormal parts. The whole control system is very intelligent and automatic, so that manual work fatigue is reduced and that production efficiency is improved. Our company also provides installation, commissioning, training, and operation services. Next, let's look at the electronic control system. Schneider's air switches, leakage protectors, AC contactors, Omron DC switching power supply, PLC, encoder, relay, thermostat, etc. Next, let's take a look at the place where the mold is installed. The machine uses an aluminum or iron mold with a double-sided pattern plate. The mold is fixed by new screws. The mold is mounted on a mold carrier and baked using a heating tube and a heating lamp. After the sand mold is made, it is pushed out through the electric cylinder of the sand pushing mold at the bottom. Because of the use of servo-electric cylinder, the sand mold is pushed more smoothly and accurately, so that sand mold cannot be in the wrong box with the upper mold and the low mold. Next, let's look at how the mold fits into the machine. The machine is equipped with a mold electric crane, OS to save the fatigue of manually moving the mold. The design is more reasonable and humanized. Next, let's enjoy the process of changing the mold of the machine. The whole process takes only 15 分钟 use and is easy to do. Do you think this function will help you? That's why so many foreign foundries like to use our molding machines. Let me show you the hydraulic power system. The hydraulic power system is directly behind the machine. Sand mold extrusion is through the hydraulic cylinder output pressure. The motor of the hydraulic power system is a servo motor. The servo motor has good high-speed performance, strong overload resistance, stable low-speed operation, and short dynamic response time of motor acceleration and deceleration. The oil valve of the hydraulic station adopts the Japanese Yukon brand. Good performance, good stability, and reliable quality. Let the foundry use our machines with more peace of mind and confidence. If you need to know more about the machine parameters, welcome to contact me. 008613903077. Because our machine adopts the principle of shooting sand up and down. Therefore, the scope of application is wider. Sand mold size 610x710 mm, 750x850 mm, 850x950 mm, 1000x1000 mm, length and width. Sand mold single edge height from 250 毫米 to 350 毫米. Total height of upper and lower molds 500毫米 to 700毫米. Currently, The molding machine has 3 modes of production. The first is to use artificial sand drawing mold. The investment cost is low. Only a molding machine needs to be purchased, and the method is suitable for a small foundry. Help foundries to achieve mechanical modeling, improve production efficiency. The second way is the molding machine and the chain conveyor line. The molding machine is responsible for making sand molds. The chain plate conveyor line is responsible for transporting the sand molds. The third way is molding machine and trolley conveyor line. It can realize the functions of automatic casing and pressing iron. More advanced automation. Foundry suitable for mass production. We are a professional foundry equipment manufacturer. Come on,